Hi, my name is Soumyodip Thanadar. I am the team leader from team TravelAhead. Together, we six members from TravelAhead team have given will be given actually two ideas for the Smart India Hackathon. Our team has been nominated from our college, OmDayal group of institutions, Howrah Ulubedia. Now today I will be discussing each and every detail of my website, that what my website is, how my website is going to work in the future, and what 50% prototype that we have already worked with. I will be discussing each and everything in this video. So this video is will be a basically a plan or a discussion about my website, that what it is. Okay. So directly Travel Ahead is a website. It is a website to promote our tourism. It is a website to actually help the tourists, especially the old age tourists or the tourists who do not very closely take enthusiastic, the tourists who need the things very fast, the tourists who actually want to spend less time while booking, while making trips and all. So for them, we have made a very enlarged platform here, and I will be discussing each and everything on my platform. So first of all, in my platform named TravelAhead website, we have made this website with React. We have made this website with React. Our 50% prototype is already ready. That 50% prototype we have already hosted in the travelahead.netlify.app. We have also posted all our codes in the GitHub as well. And I have made each and every collaborators, our all team members added in the GitHub as well. Okay. Now directly the front page of my website, that will be consisting obviously the home, about us section, the gallery section, the tour section, obviously contact us section. This is going to be the land page of this website. Now this website we have made very uh, given all the possible information available. So for an example, if I will be talking about the help and support option, the help and support option, obviously each and every possible options available in that help and support, we available in the market for help and support, we have implemented each and every features for that help and support. So directly in the front page, we have also used a bootstrap frameworks. In the bootstrap framework, what is happening? We have added 21 images actually. That images are actually transitioning, so that when a tourist will open our website, they will get attracted for new places, new destinations and all. So suppose we have added some places of Darjeeling, Kedarnath, and many more places from all over India. Okay, after that we have a section of tour. In the tour section, what we have did, in the tour section, basically there are 15 cards option. Cards means there are tourist destinations are there. There are 15 destinations from all over India. Each destination, for an example, for a demo, we have given a time of spending, that 5 nights 6 days, something about that. After that, we have given a price also, that how much price to how much price it is going to be. So after that, we have given a previous price with a cut mark, so that the customer will be more interested and attack for that place, particular place, that this place price was this previously, now the price has been decreased, so now I can plan for this place. So we have did this type of algorithm. The more interactive and a more useful features, that not to our aim was not to make a normal website that will only give users options for booking and all. Our aim was to provide very minimalistic features to the users, so that in a short span of time the users can do many things in our website. Now how we are doing, we are also claiming that our website is eco-friendly as well. So I will be starting with the first point. Our website is a eco-friendly website because we are actually having a feature known as eco travel impact calculator. Suppose for an example, the distance from Shiliguri to Darjeeling is 67 km per hour. Now, if a person wants to go from Shiliguri to Darjeeling, he or she may took a car. Then if he or she may took a car, after that, how much cost the car will take from the customer. Apart from that, if the customer will choose a bus or a train for that same journey, then obviously the cost will be lower. It is normal. But what is there for the environment here? So why we are naming it as the eco travel impact calculator? This eco travel impact calculator is calculating the carbon footprints that is taken by the vehicle and leaving back to the environment. Suppose for an example, if a customer is taking a car for 60 km distance, and how much carbon footprints in a kg? Suppose for an example, for 60 kilometers it can be 15 kg of CO2 the customer is leaving back to the environment. So the customer can choose a very good mode for it. Suppose for an example, some car is running in electricity, So if the customer will directly choose that particular option of electricity, then what will happen? The carbon footprints will be much less as compared to the carbon footprints which the vehicle which use petrol they are doing. So the customer will be getting an option that to save the environment, which vehicle option or which transport option he or she may choose to go for that particular destination. If they are taking a car and the car is taking petrol and diesel, so directly carbon footprint will be more and more. So it is not a eco-friendly travel will be happy. But at the same time, the customer is choosing a train which is running on electricity. If a customer is choosing something, some transport maybe that is actually taking electricity, then obviously the amount of CO2 that is leaving back to the environment, obviously it will more or less and less. So we can make this type of calculator more interesting in the upcoming futures also. Our team members have already started working in this, but finally in the 50% prototype we have the small model where users can particularly provide their transport option, particularly provide their actually kilometer, that how much kilometer they're traveling, and each and every options of transport we have enabled, and the system will show that how much CO2 you are leaving back to the environment. More interestingly, generation Z is much, we all are generation Z, okay. Generation Z is much conscious about making the environment safe. We have seen many recent initiative from AICT that students are actually planting trees in the college, and many more interesting eco-saving activities are happening all around to save us from the heat waves, global warming, and many more things. So directly, I have seen Generation Z, particularly speaking of mine. I have seen all of us, my friends, me, and other people of Generation Z, the young generation especially, they're much concerned about the environment. They want to do something really to save the environment. So we have given the options of three sharing options in the X handle, in the Facebook, and the Instagram, where the users can directly share their eco-friendly journey to their social handles, to their fans and followers, and their interested fans and followers who will be getting inspired from their activities, that yes, they are taking a transport for this kilometer and they are actually doing something for the environment by making less carbon footprints back to the environment. So another more interesting features that we have implemented, that's the feel moment. We all know the short video trend is going in the market. We always scroll our smartphones and all each and every day. So this short video feature can be used for interesting and a helpful features as well. In our website we have implemented feel moments. What happened normally when people give feedbacks to the company directly, the company actually take that particular feedback and they paste in their website. Now many people they have some concerns that these reviews can be a fake reviews. So directly, if a customer is visiting Darjeeling and in the morning they are taking a view of the Tiger Hill and they are actually capturing that particular moment for 30-40 seconds and they are uploading that particular moment in our website, then what will happen? The people who are already interested in visiting Darjeeling and want to see the Kanchenjunga mountain and all the Tiger Hills and all, so directly what will happen? This type of people will be feel more interested. They will be get more inspired that yes, this place is very interesting to go and visit. So directly what will happen? The customer who are already in that particular place, they will be actually making short videos or they will capture their moment, so that we have named it as feel moment. After that what will happen? They will post it in our website with some comments, with some ratings, with some reviews and all. Suppose it can be taken for a restaurant reviews and a feedbacks as well, okay. After that, after posting that particular thing, there will be short videos in our website. People can scroll and people can see. In the future we will be implementing the reviews and ratings as well, so that it will be more clear to the viewers who already want to go for a tour. So it will be more interesting for them. They will see, yes, this is a real place, that is Kashmir, this is a real place, that is Darjeeling. The people who are already gone to that place, they have already posted such videos. So people will never say this type of videos are fake videos and this type of things are all bad things, because all the moments they will capture, no, the tourists, the people who are already there in the destination, it will be giving inspiration to the people who want to visit to that particular place. So the reels is directly going to help the people as well. It's a total short video type of things. So we named it as feel moment. Some particular capture, we can actually capture that and you can paste in that website, which is going to help people later on. After that we have the interactive travel guide option. The interactive travel guide option, suppose for an example in a hilly area, suppose for an example Darjeeling, we cannot visit Darjeeling in the monsoon place, but in the monsoon season it is not very suitable for the people to visit in Darjeeling, because there will be clouds, there will be rains and all the ranges of Kanchenjunga and other ranges will be not visible to the people very much. So what will happen, people will feel bored after going to that place, but particularly people who are adventurous to see monsoon season Darjeeling and to see more greeneries, they can directly visit. So we made an interactive travel guide. Till date we have not used any AI here, just a normal thing is there. If you will directly give the destination, it will show you the best places to visit in that place, best time to visit in this place, and the sightseeing available for that particular place. So this is an interactive travel guide. We are going to make this interactive travel guide more easily and more advanced in the next level in the near future by implementing AI. What will happen if the student, if there is some student, they are learning geography in the college, or they are learning geography in the school level. If they are learning something, for an example, about Kerala, and they are visiting Kerala, our chatbot is going to help them with some educational content as well, so that our chatbot will be more solution based, making to that particular student, so that the students will be more interestingly visit the place, as well as they will get some more knowledge by chatting with our chatbot if they want to relate it with their studies or anything like this. We are going to improve the chatbot in the near future. After that, we have a features of medical assistant. Some features are there in my website, which I have already said that 50% prototype is already ready. Some are just now as a plans. I am telling 50%, other 50% is not yet ready. We will be implementing it in the near future very soon. After that, the medical assistant feature is there. If uh, if I live in Howrah city. Now if I will directly search in Howrah city, that is medical store near me, there will be lots and lots of medical store near me. But I also have a home in my village. In my village, it is a remote place, obviously. So if I will directly search medical shop near me, there will be one or two medical shop available, not more than that. But as in my city, Howrah, here lots, hundreds of medical shops are available. But in my village, there are 10 medical shops. But when I'm searching in the internet, they are only showing two. So what can be the problem? The problem can be seen like this, that local guides are less in number in the village. Local guides are more in the city. So this can be think as a one. Now people will have some concerns that maybe less medical stores are there, but believe me, medical stores are there, because if medical stores will not there in those type of remote places of the tourist destination, then how the people there, they are surviving, people who are the native of that particular place, how they are actually surviving in that place. So directly what is happening, we want to do a research on this, that in this research we will be requiring some interdisciplinary partnership as well, which will be providing medical assistant, which will be providing medical assistance to the customer, where the tourist actually move on with the inbuilt software compass. Suppose for an example, I visited a remote place in Darjeeling. What will happen in that remote place if there is some air pressure problem directly? It is very bad for me to take breath. So breathing is going to be a very bad problem if I face there in the low atmospheric pressure. So we are going to make a small chatbot which is going to give some small solutions for this type of problem. But if this solution never works, then what will happen? We are going to actually showcase all the doctors clinic available, all the hospitals available, all the types of possible medical facility stores, medical store, departmental stores available all over the remote places. We are going to mention each and everything in our website. So directly it will actually relay on the local guide process only, who will be only focusing on the medical stores only, or the medical assistance only, so that our customers will be getting the medical assistance, so that if possible within half an hour, if we could deliver a medical necessary item to that particular customer, so it will be a great help for that person. So especially old people who directly go for the travel to some hilly areas, and if they face some this type of problems, then this type of medical assistance is very difficult at this at that type of high altitude places. So directly this dynamic geolocation based medical assistant, which will navigate with the application, where the tourist will actually moving on with the inbuilt software campus. If the however the tourist will be moving, the compass will be detecting it, and after that, based on the location, it will be providing and guiding the medical assistant that where the particular medical assistant can be there where you can go, where you can reach, and where you can take the medical assistance. So the ambulance facilities and all everything will can be integrated with this. So upcoming 5G technology is there. So we are going to do a big research on this medical assistant. It is going to be a most important feature. Our aim is not to build a normal project, build a idea and to submit it. We want to really solve a real life problem, and this is a problem. This must be rectified, and we guys will be working very properly to rectify this problem. 50% prototype is already ready. Now this medical assistant in a website, it will not able to work very properly. We should integrate an app as well with React only. After that it will be working very well. So this is a very big problem and we are going to solve it. After that, the travel ahead community we will build. In this community, what will happen? We will be providing very good amount of tips from each and every customer. One customer A will share a feedback, customer B will share a feedback, customer A will answer a question of B, customer Z will answer a question of A. Like this, the interaction between customers in the social media, which is happening, we are going to make a small social media for the tourists, especially we have other social medias in the internet available. There are lots and lots of social media, but tell me how many social media really focus on tourism? There is no social media available that only really focus on tourism. So travel ahead community is going to focus on all of the main things. One of the most important feature when people face in the remote places in the tourist destination, that is a mobile networks. Mobile networks is one of the most important and a most necessary item, I will most necessary requirement for everybody nowadays, because without mobile network, how it is possible for us to call our near and dear ones? We cannot call them, we cannot reach them, we cannot submit our project in office, we cannot do anything, we cannot call anyone with mobile network. So mobile network is required. So basically, customers who are already gone to that place, or the local people, local guide who already stay in that particular place, they must give a proper idea that which mobile network work there very properly. So that what will happen, the people who will go for there, they will actually get that particular sim card or the service provider, and after that they will never face any problem there. Okay. After that, we will be making a crowd detection system. Our team have started implementing this, but we haven't complete yet. But the problem is that this project needs a detection type of system. This is known as the crowd detection system. Suppose for an example, I visited to Darjeeling, and there are two places for sightseeing. One place can be the Himalayan Zoo, the second place can be rock garden. Now this app is directly going to show me that which place is having more crowd. If Himalayan Zoo is going to have more crowd, then I will avoid Himalayan Zoo at that particular time. I will go for that rock garden. I will visit rock garden because it is having less crowd. After visiting rock garden, I will go for Himalayan Zoo if the crowd is more or less based on the crowd. So basically this is a crowd detection platform. It will actually direct people, the crowd, that how much crowd is there. So directly we all use where is my train. We have taken some inspiration from where is my train, and we have also taken it as a reference that where is my train is helping here. Like this, where is my train is helping us for providing trains, but our travel ahead is going to help tourists for giving the real number of statistics of the crowd, that how much crowd is particularly available at that place. So based on that, the people is going to choose that particular place, right? So this type of features we are going to implement in our project. Now there are some challenges, there are some hosting challenges. Normally the free versions which we all have from different platforms in the internet, those type of platform cannot host a website very properly because there are some slowish issue. We have to host the website in a very proper way. The proper integration of the backend must be there. The proper integration of the backend must be there, because without backend the website is not going to happen. We also have booking form also, where backend technology is obviously required. So we have think that MongoDB and Node.js we are going to implement in the backend. So after that, some more implementations will be there, and we will be making the website more improvement. Now normally HTML, CSS, React, our framework Bootstrap we have used. Backend we will be using Node.js and the MongoDB. Normal tools that we have used is, we have used GitHub, we have used our Visual Studio Code, and we have implemented and sent the codes in the GitHub. We have a GitHub repository which we have already given link in the PPT. After that, we have hosted it in netlify.app, travelahead.netlify.app. And there are some challenges which we are going to fix. There must be some performance issue. This website sometimes runs well, sometimes do not runs well, because the hosting platform is a free basic platform. We have not implemented a very paid platform. So directly this type of hosting problems we are going to fix in the near future. After that, overall everything is very good, because React is a very friendly language. Okay, React is a user friendly language, and it make the website more attractive, and HTML CSS which we have, which make the website more live. And React is most important thing of React is very secure kind of library. React is a very secure kind of library of JavaScript. React is more actually take less, because it is a lightweight JavaScript library. It is more and more secure. It makes the website more responsive and very good also. We have chosen React for this only, because React is a multi-talented, we will say, library for JavaScript. So we have used React, and many more to do with this project. We will be making this switch to EcoSaver options more improved in the near future, so that what will happen, this is going to impact, give some, leave some impact for the environment. It is going to save the environment more, because I have seen young generations are there nowadays. Our parents are also very concerned to save environment. They are also started helping us for planting trees and all. Okay, they are also preferring us for going for EVs and all. So directly this type of eco-saving options are really good for the environment, because the amount of global warming, the heat waves which are actually destroying the world, we are going to do something. At least if 1% impact, if we can leave back to the environment, then we can actually make some amount of less CO2 back to the environment. It is a great achievement for us, because we have to do something for this is really more beneficial. Okay, and after that, we have taken research from different places. Suppose for an example, we have taken research for ESG. ESG means that environment, social and governments. That we have taken a YouTube video which from where we have got the ideas of such carbon footprints and all. After that, we have implemented it. We have actually taken more ideas from YouTube videos of tourism. One video was there for tourism, that student tourism will boost economic India's economy by PM Modi. We have also got some inspiration from that video, and we have started working on this project. After that, we have taken help from ResearchGate. In the ResearchGate also, in the tourism, there were some research regarding how we can make eco-friendly tourism. So we have taken a help from them also. We have also seen the website and have taken some data from Ministry of Tourism India. And we have also read a book, that is Travel and Tourism Management book by Barkat Ali Muhammad Abu. We have read this book also, and this book have also inspired us to make something, to contribute something for our tourism. So directly, our 50% prototype consists of the landing page, which consists of the car souls where pictures are animating and pictures are changing. And after that, we have the 15 tourist cart, and directly book now options available. If I will go for doers, if I will directly click on doers, it will take me to the booking form. But in the booking form, by default, the destination will be selected as doers. So this type of booking form we have created. Field moments, the short videos part we have done. The eco-friendly calculator we have added a footer as well, privacy policy, terms of service, and contact us page is there. And after that, we have about us, where my friend Arpan Maity, he have a short YouTube video which is describing the total website. The total website he is describing at a short video, and every details of our website is mentioned in the about us. In the tour section, we have implemented that interactive travel guide, the other tour cards that is available, the 15 tour cards. We in the gallery section, we have added pictures from all over India. After that, we have given a video also, so it will actually give some inspiration to the people who want to go for tourism, want to go for a tour. There is a video of Kalka to Shimla toy train, which is a very attractive video, which is going to actually attract more and more tourists to come to our website, to check our website, to book something, to ask everything, to book their next destinations and all. Okay. After that, in help and support, starting from email ID, phone number, we have also provided the chatting option for WhatsApp, We have also provided a small chatbot which consists of that a small contact form where name, your problem, and your mobile number you can give. After that, it will directly show that we have received your book problem. Our executive will be called back to you soon. We have also given the contacts of all the LinkedIn IDs of all the contributors of this uh, project. Actually, all the 6 contributors of this project, we have mentioned each and every idea, so the people will give us feedback. People will give us some complaint, more feedbacks, a bug report. The people can directly report that particular contributors, website makers, they can directly contact directly to us. After that, each and every possible features in the help and support which in the market already exist, we have implemented all. Now we have implemented WhatsApp as a chatting platform here in the website, but in the future we want to implement our own chatbot, so that we will be replacing WhatsApp in place of our own chatbot. We are going to give our own chatbot in the place of WhatsApp, so that the people will be country people will be using, the customers will be using our WhatsApp, our own chatbot in the place of WhatsApp, because we are going to replace the WhatsApp in our own chat. So this is because we believe that the data of the customers are more confidential. So we are neglecting the third party use using applications. We will be focusing on our own chatbot, and we will be using our own chatbot in the near future. We are going to implement it very soon by replacing WhatsApp. That's it, all about the Travel Ahead website and the Travel Ahead team. I thank each and everybody. First of all, I would like to thank our college spoke, Professor Santosh Das sir, for giving us this opportunity of Smart India Hackathon, and nominating. I will also like to thank all our judges for giving us this for nominated us for the for submitting the idea. And lastly, I will like to thank Smart India Hackathon for making this type of initiative for the students, so that where students are really working and they will submit their idea, so that this type of platform are really required for the students to submit our idea, to showcase our idea to everyone, to showcase our idea. So thank you, Smart India Hackathon, for giving us this opportunity for actually sharing our ideas and submitting our ideas. Thank you very much. Thank you.